Hello everyone, my name is Brutik Verma and I'll be showing you my project demo which was developed during my third semester of master's journey at University of Windsor. And this project was developed for a business, for a tax business. I cannot disclose the name of the business, but I can tell you what their requirements was and what they do. So the uh, business provide training and employment opportunities to their clients, to individual persons. And what they used to do is they used to manage all of the tasks, all of the handling manually in their Excel spreadsheets. And also their ecosystem was Microsoft apps. So they used a variety of Microsoft apps for their different staff members and for the handling of particular case for particular clients. So what their requirements was to develop the case management tool, to develop an all-in-one app where they can also manage their database and they can also integrate their Microsoft apps into one platform and manage their Microsoft apps from that one platform and manage all their tasks, all their cases, all their staff, all their clients and services using that app. So that's what we have tried to develop and execute in this app, in this project. So yeah, let's start with the login screen. So I have used personal Microsoft accounts for this project as we didn't have access to business Microsoft accounts. And so yeah, let's get started with the project demo. So this is a login screen. We have implemented Microsoft Graph API, and this is the OF 2.0 of Microsoft. And yeah, I'll log in through my personal Microsoft account. And also, the front end is developed using Next.js, React.js. And in the back end, we have used Nest.js, which is a Node.js based framework. And for the database, we have used PostgreSQL. And for the security purpose, we have used JSON Web Tokens. And also the Microsoft Graph API, which is the most important integration of our project. So yeah, this is the dashboard screen, as you can see. And these are all the calendar events that are yet to come, or yet pending. And all of the upcoming tasks or total tasks would be seen here. And I've logged in as an admin and as a staff, both because this is my personal Microsoft account. If we have a business Microsoft account, we can develop for different users as well, right? So yeah, this is a this is a dashboard of a particular user or particular staff managing a specific client. Okay, so I'll explain you how this works. Okay, let's start with the service. So services are the main base of the case, and using those services, they create tasks. So for example, we can say there are two services, and these are the tasks. See, initial contact days, intake interview days, action plan week, monthly contact, monthly reports. So for example, this is one day. So we have to contact the client. We have to contact the client within one day. We have to take an interview with the client within 5 days. We have to make an action plan within 2 weeks, and other stuff like that. So these are the two services, and these are the tasks that would be automated using this service. So after providing this service, they will provide employment opportunities to their client. That's what they do, and they use Microsoft apps for this purpose. So yeah, let's start with the case page. So case is the main part of the project. And after creating a case, what we are doing is we are also creating all the events and tasks in the Microsoft apps itself. So for example, this is the task, right? So and these are the four. This is a case, and these are the four tasks under this case. So let's see what are the four tasks. See, these are the four tasks, and after which one is completed. So I'll show you the task to do as well. This is the task to do for client Jane Doe, right? And these are the three tasks, and one is completed, so it is moved to completed. And also inside the calendar events, it will show that there is an intake interview yet to come, initial contact, and employment plan week, right? So yeah, these are the tasks from those services assigned to different staff members. And in our case, I have assigned to me myself, my personal Microsoft account. And so yeah, let's start with creating a case now. So let's go and create a case. I'll say the client name is Jane Doe and staff is test one. Service would be, let's say, IES. Region is Windsor. Status would be open as of now. And started date, let's say 11 December, and I'll click save. So what it will do, it will create a case in the database, and also it will automate the task on the basis of services, and it will create tasks inside our task to do, inside our calendar events. It will schedule meetings in the calendar events. It will make tasks in the to do task, and it will also mail the staff about the events that are scheduled. So this is what we have just now created for the staff. Yeah, this is the date right now. And initial contact for client J Indo, intake interview, and employment action plan week. And let's see, this is the case that was created right now from my side. And three tasks, right? You will also see in the dashboard that it is uploaded. Let's click on dashboard. And we will see that all of the events are fetched from the calendar events itself. So before it was three tasks, and now there are six tasks in total. And these are all automated tasks from the case created. So let's see in the task to do also. So this is the new task list for the client Django. And these are all the three tasks that were created by the admin for a staff for a particular client. And there are three more additional events for the staff itself that are yet to be pending. Okay. So this is what case creation and dashboard is about. And let's edit one of the case. For example, this is the one that we have created, right? So let's edit this and let's change the status to one way. And in the task, let's say the initial contact was completed. So we'll click this as completed and we'll click save here. So now in the dashboard, you will see that one of the event is deleted from here. And now that because that was completed, and we'll also see here. So yeah, this initial contact is moved to completed for the particular staff member that contacted the client. And then inside the calendar, one of the event is also deleted here, which was initial contact. This is for the further case or previous case. And the case that we created is deleted now. And also, the staff member will get a mail about it that the event is being cancelled. This is the mail that we got right now. And this event is being cancelled because the task has been marked as completed or there are changes in the task, right? So, yeah, we have also integrated Outlook for it. And we can also create new tasks, such as we can say we have to create a new task, let's say test, and we have to assign a due date to it, let's say 13 December, and we will assign the task to test one. Okay. And this would be created for that case only, which is for the client J window. So let's click on create task, and now you can see there are four tasks right now. And in the dashboard, there would be a task event would be appeared here. And this is the details you can see. And also the staff member will get a mail for it. And there would be a new task creation here in the Microsoft To Do and Microsoft Calendar as well. This is the event test for client change, right? Okay. And now I will show you. We can also delete the case from here. It will. Let's do it for one, right? So let's delete this case. Okay. And now you will see that all of the three events that were previously has been deleted, and we will also get mail for it. The staff will also get mail for it that this was deleted. Yeah. And also the task list, one of the task lists got deleted. There were two, right? One of the task lists got deleted. And now, yeah, three events got deleted from here. And the staff member will also get a mail for it. And yeah, this was the task page. This was the case page. Let's move to task page. And yeah, these are the four tasks that are in the assigned for the staff for this staff member that is logged in, right? So we can also create task from here. Same as that. We can also select case. We can assign staff from here. We can say let's write here test two, and due date would be 14 December, let's say, and let's hit create here. So it will create the task for in our database and in the Microsoft apps itself. So we can see is the event has been created, mail has been sent, one more task has been added in to do, and there is an event in calendar as well. Okay, and then there is client page. In client page, the admin can basically view, edit, create, delete particular client, but it cannot delete a client if the case is still ongoing, right? Yeah. So this is all the details. It can create a client from here using a reference ID, referral date, first name, last name, date of birth, email, phone address, all the details of the client they want, whatever they want, right? And also can edit a particular client from here. Okay. And then there is a service page from where they can create new services if they introduce new service in their company, right? So they can also create a new service here. For example, this is a service like initial contact days, intake interview days, action plan week, monthly contract, monthly reports are there or not, right? And can also edit existing ones. Yeah. So this was our MVP for a case management to develop for a particular business. And this is not a full-fledged application, but I will say this is an MVP. That's the these are the most crucial requirements that they told us, and we tried our best to develop. So yeah, this was the app that I developed. And for the future scope, I would say if we get access to a business Microsoft account, we can also develop role based, which I have also developed in the backend, but I have not implemented it because we don't have a business Microsoft account. If we have a business Microsoft account, we can have access to Teams, Microsoft Teams. We can have access to Microsoft OneDrive for document submission. We can have access to Microsoft Planner, SharePoint, and all other apps that they use. So yeah, and we can also fulfill all of the requirements if we have a business Microsoft account, because from personal Microsoft account, I'm limited to certain apps only because Microsoft can't let me use all of the resources using Microsoft account. They they need Microsoft account for it because there is an owner and there are tenants beside it. So yeah, that's the limitation I face right now. And in the future, if I get it, I can develop it furthermore and can help the business. So yeah, this was it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Uh, if you want to talk or connect, it's in the description, GitHub link, and we can connect on the GitHub or LinkedIn also. So yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you.